In this video, we are gonna multiply these two numbers with decimal. So to multiply these two decimal, we have to treat them just like whole numbers. So 4 times 4 is 16, write 6 and carry 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 9. The answer is 96. But here we see that there are two decimal places and there is one decimal place. So the answer should be 3 decimal places. So write the answer in 3 decimal places. So 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, write 0 and with 3 decimal place. So the answer should be 0.096. Here is another example in which we have to multiply 2.4 with 3. So 3 times 4 is 12, write 2 and carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 7. The answer is 72, but here we see that there is one decimal place, so the answer should be also one decimal places. So write the decimal one place to the left, which is 7.2. So the answer will be 7.2. Here is another example in which we have to multiply 0.72 with 10. So 0 times 2 is 0 and 0 times 7 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2 and 1 times 7 is 7. Add these terms. So 0 to 7. The answer is 720. But here we see that there are two decimal places, so we will move the decimal 2 places to the left. So 1 place, 2, and put the decimal place, and put the decimal here. So the answer is 7.2. When we multiply 0.72 with 10, the answer is 7.2. Here is another example in which we multiply 0.23 with 0.23. So again we will treat them just like whole numbers. So 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 2 is 4. Now we will add up these terms. So 9, 12, write 2 and carry 1, which becomes 1 plus 4 is 5. So the answer is 527. But here we see that there are 4 decimal places, mean there are in the first number there are 2 decimal places, and the second number there are also 2 decimal places. So and the answer should be 0.0529. So when we multiply 0.23 with 0.23, the answer should be 0.0529, because in the question there are 4 decimal places collectively, so the answer should be 4 decimal places. Again we have another number 0.7 to multiply it with 0.6. So again we will treat them just like whole numbers. So 6 times 7 is 42. The answer is 42, but here we see that there is one decimal place, and again there is one decimal place, mean collectively become 2 decimal places, so the answer should be 2 decimal places. So 1 decimal place and 2 decimal place, so the answer should be 0.24. So when we multiply 0.7 with 0.6, the answer should be 0.42.